Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So here I am back with yet another question for you all. Okay, so this question says that before the question, I'll just let you know that whatever the question you'll be solving up here, whatever the programs you're writing in for the same, you just have to make sure that you are completely writing up this whole program into the method that all of the use cases, all of the test cases, each and everything is getting completely solved up over here. Okay. And before writing the questions, I suggest whatever you are having on Lead Code, HackerRank, and any coding programming platform. There's a recommendation that always try to write the respective part into those. As in terms of like you're having n pairs of parentheses. Okay, you have to write a function to generate all the combinations of a well-performed parenthesis. Your example goes is that you're having the value for n as 3, and here you're having the output respective to that c. So with this input that is 3, okay, with this input that is 3, whatever the parenthesis can be made in all of those we are getting here as a result. Like open, close, open, close, open, close, right? Two close, one open, two close again, one open, two close, and then all the three close brackets, right? So see, this is all the brackets, all the parentheses which can be made. If you're having three parentheses with you, these many results you can get in over here, right? Second input is if in case the value for n is 1, so you'll be getting the in and output over here, just simple this bracket, and that's it, right? So we just have to write a program for this whole part only, that whatever you are just having over here in the input and output, all those parts, you just have to write the program for the same. So what I'll do, I'll just make a solution class over here, class solution. Okay, after that I'll be making a function generate parenthesis. Okay, so parenthesis, generate parenthesis is a function. You can just make any function of your choice. Why I had took that? Because the reason is if you'll be using it, the lead code IDEs only, right? So there you will get this particular function only with the name that is your generate parenthesis function. Okay, we'll just get the function name with generate parenthesis. So if you have been working over your over this particular lead code platforms, so you might have seen that there you get this the get the functions and classes already made in, right? So after that you just have to work with your main logic of your complete program. That's it, what you had to work in, right? You do not have to make the functions on your own or anything like that. So I'll just write dev generate, and I would just write combinations, dev generate combinations, right? Then we'll be having n comma, we are having the current, and we are having the another variable as closing, rem underscore closing, right? So see, I'll be taking two functions. One is a parenthesis function, one is a combination function. Parenthesis will help me to get the value, that total, what's the value for n, and the combination function will help me to get the total combinations which can be made. Now, I'll be applying a condition if n is equal to 0. If the value which you are having in n, if that is equal to 0, so I'll be applying my while condition, while rem underscore closing. Okay, now I'll be having current plus equal to bracket. Current plus equal to brackets like this, right? And after that, I'll be just working with again rem closing minus is equal to 1. Okay, so current plus is equal to this bracket, and rem closing will be minus equal to 1. And here I'll be writing up this return function, return in the bracket, we are having current. Return current, that's it. Okay, after that I'll be taking the else part and moving next into that. So if rem closing, one second. If rem closing like this, okay, so I would just write current plus equal to, I'll be putting up these brackets so as to get to know that like total how many brackets do we have up over here. Or instead of this bracket, first of all, I'll just try to check on to other part. I would just write over here if this is the scenario. So in that case, I would return first of all my just generate combination function. So generate, where's the combination? Yeah, generate combinations function. And into that, I am going to do first of all n minus 1, comma. I'll be using up this from here. That will be current plus, again now I'll be using up this opening bracket, just the opening bracket, okay, comma, rem underscore closing, which we were having, and that will be plus 1. That's it. This is the first thing that we're returning. Apart from that, we'll be returning one more thing. I'll be applying a plus sign over here. And now with my generate combinations functions, where is that? Yeah, generate combinations functions again. I'll be writing in comma. That will be current plus, like this current plus, okay, and I'll be adding over this like this, okay, I'll be adding it like this, the bracket closing, comma, again it will be rem underscore closing minus 1, okay, and that's it what we have up over here, that's it, right? Now, apart from that, I'll be using up my else part, and so inside that, I'll be now returning again the combinations, but with a similar little other part. So else return, or I would just take it to above only, because otherwise this will result me the error like this. I will just make it. Okay, hope everyone has like written up till this particular place. Right, else return. Now, what do I have to return up over here is I'll be again calling that combination function generate, yeah, generate combinations bracket n minus 1, comma, I'll be writing for the current value plus I want to add this opening bracket, okay, just a minute, opening bracket only, comma, I'll be again that using that rem closing variable that we have made above, plus 1, right? That is only what I'll be returning first of all. Then I'll be using one more return function to return that for my very first function, that was my dev. One more back. Yeah, this is for the dev combination functions. I would be returning the generate combinations function, generate combinations, value for n, empty space, comma 0. That is what we will be returning here for the generate dev generate combinations function, right? That is what we'll be getting up over here completely, right? So now see what it will exactly help me to do. Okay, what it will exactly help me to do. So this whole function that will help me to generate a list with the str for the combinations parenthesis, and this is the whole programming that you have to write in once you want this complete class, right? So I just hope I'm pretty clear with this, how to solve this complete question, how to write this whole question for this parenthesis part. If you're using up your Leetcode IDEs, so into that particular case, you might run this also, and that will help you resolve the output also. Okay, so I just hope I'm pretty clear with the same. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.